The spotlight is on old blots as Delhi gets a new chief minister in Rekha Gupta.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूँ.
Now Gupta comes in with an impressive resume. President of the Delhi University Students' Union in 1996, rose to be a 3-time municipal councillor, only woman among BJP's serving chief ministers.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूँ
Right after the senior BJP leader took oath as Delhi's 4th woman chief minister, Gupta's first public act was to worship on the banks of river Yamuna at sunset, along with her cabinet colleagues. So, cleaning up Yamuna is one of BJP's promises for Delhi.
एक भी कमिटमेंट हमारी अधूरी नहीं रहेगी. 100% दिल्ली के जनता के लिए हमने जो कहा है वो हम करेंगे.
मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि जो वादे भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिल्ली के लोगों को किए हैं, जिसके आधार पर उनको जनादेश मिला है, रेखा गुप्ता जी उनको पूरा करेंगी.
Congratulate her and the cabinet and wish them well. They've come up with a very broad, very ambitious agenda.
Machines deployed by Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena have been skimming trash off the river even before Gupta took oath. But all the waters of Yamuna might be hard put to wash the stains of her actions and remarks from the past, for social media has a long memory. A 2023 video of a ruckus by BJP councillors purportedly shows Gupta dismantling a podium, ripping the mic off it and hitting the mic repeatedly against furniture till it gets smashed to pieces. Gupta had lost a mayoral election to AAP's Shelly Robiroy on that day. And her party councillors were protesting militantly against AAP councillors, even carrying their mobile phones into the polling stations, thereby ostensibly violating the secrecy of their ballots.
यहाँ गाली गलौच हुआ, जिन्होंने बोतलें फेंक के मारी और जिन्होंने पहला हाउस बर्बाद किया था, इन सब पे कार्रवाई करोगे तो मेरे पर भी करो.
An undated video now viral on social media purportedly shows Gupta mouthing staple WhatsApp untruths about Delhi's iconic Jawaharlal Nehru University, which by the way is the alma mater of 2 BJP union ministers.
ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी जो इस प्रकार से गंदी हरकतें करे, देशद्रोही काम करे, दिल्ली में, देश में होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. तुरंत प्रभाव से इसे बंद कर देना चाहिए ऐसे लोगों को.
Rekha Gupta had accused JNU students of moral turpitude.
300 रुपया अफोर्ड करने में दिक्कत है, उसके लिए संसद पे जाके प्रदर्शन करते हो, संसद का समय खराब करते हो, लोगों को मिसगाइड करते हो, देशद्रोही काम करते हो.
Screenshots of older posts from Gupta's X account making an offensive reference to AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal's mother were widely circulated right after her appointment as Delhi's chief minister. The remarks made can be compared to those that have landed YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia in trouble. But Rekha Gupta is not alone. Those sworn in with her have a lot of blot on their resumes too. For example, Pravesh Verma, son of a former BJP chief minister, was barred from campaigning by the Election Commission of India during the 2020 Delhi elections for making inflammatory remarks about the Shaheen Bagh protesters during the nationwide uproar against CAA and NRC. Next, Kapil Mishra, a former AAP minister who later turned to BJP, made a provocative speech immediately before the 2020 communal riots in Delhi that claimed 53 lives and injured hundreds. He made the crass remark even when US President Donald Trump was visiting the national capital.
ट्रंप के जाने तक आप जाफराबाद और चांदबाग खाली करवा लीजिए, ऐसी आपसे विनती कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद हमें रोड पे आना पड़ेगा. ठीक है?
The police later told Delhi High Court that they had found no evidence against Mishra, although videos of his hate speech were played in the courtroom. Ironically, the same Kapil Mishra who vowed to take law into his own hands during a riot is now the Law and Justice Minister under the New Delhi cabinet. That brings us back to the question, will social media spotlight on old blots come back to haunt Rekha Gupta and her colleagues?